Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, what is the value of a divided by a to the power of -4 when a equals 2? So before bringing in the number into substitute the variable, let's solve it with the variable and then bring in the number when it's easier to solve. So normal a, is technically a to the power of 1. So following the same formula is that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n equal a to the power of m subtract n. Using that formula, I'm going to put it in the corner for y'all. Using that formula, it would be a to the power of 1 subtract -4, which would equal a to the power of 1 plus 4 because it's subtract a negative, so it would be 5. So now we can bring in the number. So 2 to the power of 5, which is 32. Moving on to problem number 2. Express 2 to the power of 12 as a power of 1/8. So how are we going to do this problem? So if you guys aren't that familiar with converting, like taking the negatives out of these numbers yet, this follows the same idea as that if a to the power of n would equal a to the power of n. So using that formula, we can convert 2 to the power of 12 into 2 to the power of -3 to turn it into 1/8 to the power of -4, because -3 times -4 is 12. So using that, it would be 1/8 to the power of -4. So 1/8 negative. And don't forget the parentheses. Moving on to problem number 3. Find the integer k such that this equals that. Very long equation. So we can convert this, since you see there are 3 of them. So we can turn that into 3 times 3 to the power of 3, because that's just what it is, would equal, we can change this into a power of 3 as well. So 243 is 3 to the power of 5, and my hand is not cooperating today, times 3 to the power of k. So 3 to the power of 1, which is technically just still the 3, would be, this side would then equal 3 to the power of 4 equals 3 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of k. So then, using the formula such that a to the power of m times a to the power of n would equal a to the power of m plus n. And I'm going to put this in the corner as well. Using that formula, 3 to the power of 4 should equal 3 to the power of 5 plus k. So 4 should equal 5 plus k. So k equals -1. And k equals -1. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!